Check. I mean, I say struggle's real, you know. But if you try something in 2017 and fail, that no means say you can't try again in a real life, though. I know it's a good thing to come to those who wait. You have forgot feet, though. Wait there. Watch out. Man never think them did I go make it, dog. Me think me would have suffer. Now me get a chance to take my mad out of the gutter. Tour up on the plane, the chain, the fame, the game, count money till me two hands spray now. Back to the ghetto life of what we eat for dinner. Mackerel and rice, little butter, make it simmer. Borrow one shows from a friend for go a party. Real charge it, never gonna talk it. Yeah, in the ghetto, dog, nothing never crisp. Police kick door, man dead the witness. In the ghetto, some man a gal la list. While some about this. Now my flow get tighter than me key and roll them. Remember when me sang a play, never want hear them. Now man a tour, the skies were long theaters. I try, reply, me cry, try. Mommy, you remember them days when you couldn't find the rent? The landlord throw you out to couldn't find a cent. We pack up our clothes them on your church sister house. You never put me out to stick together like clothes. All who have faith in a life, go so. They are looking at the crowd there, you know. Yeah. Watch out, so reach for the stars. Watch out, say you. Nobody now not dreaming here, so. You know what's in the craft now, you're saying a real life, you know. Alright, balance it level there. Boom, me sad when the rain fall, cause dog the roof drop leak. Both them no stop squeak, killer that a concrete. Get a life, me know it like me two and for sure. Offer by my mother, a big house, support more. Born as a winner, even though I'm born poor. The ball upon my foot, so dog, me now go stop score. Man have dreams, now me head, man have to hustle for the money. Now go act like someone, but you go do not the funny. Mama tell me, say me son, say easy.
But so, no man, come here. What's the inspiration behind this song?
Well, you don't know in a real life the struggles, isn't it? What we go through. You know, we just put it in a song and make it relatable to everybody, you know? Yeah, man.
Of course. We all can relate. Scatter.
Well, all who know that song, the way it come from, know say the man got right concept, don't. The man got dreams. The man talk about how him feel and how him aspire to be. And nobody can knock him, say him go up on a hip-hop beat, because if you don't never know, dancehall is what gave birth to hip-hop. So the man creativity up. Good lyrics, madam. Because all I know about leaking roof and landlord and them something there. So you trust me, you hit the nail on the head tonight. Great start.
All right, Miss Kitty.
Why am I not telling you? You know, say me a girl say substance over hype. And any man will have ambition and any young youth will try. You know me always cheer for them. When me hear your lyrics, overdrive. Notorious B.I.G. I look down and say, Jano Youth. That song that juicy. I'm like it. I'm glad you wear gloves tonight. Come on, you left no fingerprint, boy. For them teeth, your style, none tall. Because you have it lock. Mother road, one ready to a move.